Hi everyone, this is HP LaserJet Pro MFP M28w. In this video I will show you how to set up and start using this printer on your iPhone. I will show you how to connect to Wi-Fi network, to Wi-Fi direct, how to print, how to scan, so subscribe to Signal Guru and let's go. First, make sure your printer is ready to work, plug it into the power socket, load some paper, unfold the output tray like this. Next, press the power button on your printer, and what you need now is wait until the warning indicator stops blinking, the power indicator glows solid green, and the display calms down as well, and the printer makes no sounds. Now you need to make sure that Wi-Fi indicator on this button is blinking blue. If it's not blinking, just press the Wi-Fi button once, and you can continue on your smartphone. First, you need to install HP software on your iPhone, and the application's name is HP Smart. So open App Store. By the way, it's available in Google Play Store as well, so setup on Android is a pretty same process. So get the HP Smart application, open it. Once opened, accept the terms and conditions. Loading in progress, wait for it. And before tapping on Setup a new printer, make sure once again that Wi-Fi icon on your printer is blinking. Otherwise, press the Wi-Fi button on your printer and tap Setup a new printer. Give this permission to find devices on local networks. It's necessary. Tap on New Printer. It's searching for printers. Now you can see this message: if the printer cannot be found, select printer not listed. But I recommend you to wait at least 2 minutes, because printers are hard guys. Sometimes it's hard to find. So wait about 2 minutes, and if your printer is not found, tap on this button. If you see this window, select Wi-Fi over here, or also you can connect your printer using Ethernet cable. You can connect directly to your router or modem, but we are connecting via Wi-Fi now, so let's tap on Wi-Fi, continue. Get printer ready to connect over Wi-Fi. We've already done all these steps, except of step number 3. This step means we need to give all the permissions to these applications. So allow. So, if your printer is found, you've got no problems. Its icon will appear here. Just tap on this icon and your printer will be connected. But I'm waiting for too long. I'm waiting about 3 minutes. So let me tap on printer not listed over here to get the further instructions. So what I need to do now, at first, allow to use location. Allow to use notifications. I can disable it later. Now I need to manually connect to the printer's setup network. So open the control center, tap and hold on Wi-Fi, go to Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi settings. Now you need to find HP setup network with your printer model name M28. So now tap on I and join this network. Now, if you see this window, the network is temporarily unavailable. Try again later. I will show you how to fix it. First, tap on OK, and then make sure that HP network is not in My Networks list. Otherwise, you need to forget this network. Tap on I. Forget this network. Tap on Forget. Then disable Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Now press the Wi-Fi button on your printer to turn on the display, and then press and hold power button for about 10 seconds. The warning indicator should start blinking, and then printer will power off. So now it's blinking. Now the printer is off. Wait about 10 seconds and power on your printer. Then wait until the printer fully turns on and stops making any sounds. Then on your iPhone, turn the Wi-Fi back on and find the HP setup network, tap on I and join this network. And that's pretty it. Now let's continue setup. Let's go back to the HP Smart application. It's already detecting your printer. And now you need to connect your printer to your home Wi-Fi network. To do this, enter your Wi-Fi password. Once entered, press continue. Now printer is found, printer prepared, and it's getting the IP address for your printer. Now you need to reconnect your iPhone to your home or office network. Make sure you connect into the same network as before. So go to Wi-Fi, go to Wi-Fi settings, find your home network, connect to it, and go back to the application. It's detecting printers once again, but this time from your global network, not with the printer's network, but now it's already connected and must be detected. Now printer is connected to Wi-Fi. Let's tap on the only button on this page. What's next? It's getting some information. Now accept the terms of service, accept all. Enable auto update as recommended and apply. Now you can print a test page. Okay, let's print. It's printed, good job. And what's next? Now we can send installation link to other devices, because for the best practice of usage, you need to install HP Smart application on all devices you wish to use with this printer. But let's skip it so far. Are you sure? Yes. And now we are on the home screen of HP Smart application. When initial setting up is done, you can also set up the Wi-Fi direct connection, so you will be able to print without connection to your home Wi-Fi network, connecting directly to printer. To do this, in HP Smart application, tap on your printer's name and find network information at the bottom. Here you can see some information like IP address, MAC address, but now you need Wi-Fi direct, so tap on that. Make sure the feature is on, make sure that security is on, you have security passcode over here and Wi-Fi direct name. So all you need is connect to this network in your Wi-Fi settings. So let's go to Wi-Fi settings, find your network, make sure it's M28 LaserJet, tap on that and enter your password. Now tap on join. And you are connected to the printer's network, but keep in mind that when you connected directly to the printer, you are not able to use Wi-Fi to browse the internet. However, you still can use mobile data to do it. Now you can start using your printer. You can print any document from any application that allows to print. Let's say, let's go to Files, select any document we wish to print. For example, this one. To print, tap on the share icon at the bottom left, tap on print, select your printer first, LaserJet M28. Now set number of copies, paper size, media and quality, layout. You can print more than one page per sheet, up to 16 pages per one sheet. Now go back from options, and once you're done with your settings, just tap on print and your document will be printed. Good job once again. But unfortunately, to use printing and scanning functions in HP Smart application, you are forced to log into HP account. So what you need is switch to your home network to get the internet access. Now let's close the application, close Wi-Fi settings and open HP Smart. And now let's tap on print documents. and you have to create account or sign in. They force you to do it. So create account, it's very simple. I am not gonna walk you through the process. I already have an account, and let me just sign in. Now you can wait. Would you like to access your photo? Yes, allow full access. Now you can use HP Smart application either with Wi-Fi direct or with home network connection. So let's print via application first. Print documents. Go to all files. Browse for the document you wish to print. Tap on browse. On my iPhone, let's say, go to documents. Once again, select a document. Now to print, you need to tap on print preview first. It's retrieving some info. Now swipe up to change print settings. Once again, select your printer, adjust paper size, adjust number of copies and print quality, and tap on print. But let's go back. We already know that this printer can do its job. Let's go back to the application, or just reopen. Now let me show you how to scan documents. Find the printer scan option. Now you need to correctly place your document in the scanning unit. So place it facing down and align the left corner, the top left corner, with the paper sheet icon in this corner of the scanning surface. Also note that you have a paper size markers here and here, so notice your paper size and close the scanning unit lid. After this, skip in-app tutorial or read it. I will show you everything anyway, so let's just skip. So in this drop down you can set up your scanning settings. So set up color or grayscale over here, enter page size A4 so far, or use different size, or select entire scan area. Set quality 200 or 300 dpi. Tap on done. Now tap on gear icon. Let's check what's here. Auto enhancements and auto orientation. Let's say if you put your document upside down, it will be reverted automatically. So tap on done once you're done, and select what you're scanning: photo, document, or batch. We are scanning document, so it's okay. And tap on scan. Wait for the result. Scanning is finished. Once the scan is ready, it takes you to detect edges menu, so you can drag these dots to adjust borders, or tap on the full icon at the bottom to outline the full document, or tap on auto to auto detect, but auto is not good this time, so let's tap on full. Once you're done, tap on next. And on this screen you can add more pages to your document, as many pages as you need. To add pages, tap on add. Next, replace the document in the scanning unit. Put second page there, tap on scan once again. Then adjust borders of the second page. Hit next. As you can see, you have 2 pages in your document right now, so repeat this action as many times as you need. Tap on reorder to change the page's order. Just tap and drag. Tap on done when you've finished. Or also you can rotate each page. Let's rotate this one, for example, upside down. And once you're done with your settings here, you can print your document or share it or save to files. So first rename your document if you need, and select, hit return, select the file type. Keep in mind that PDF only supports multiple pages. Image formats doesn't support. Now select file size. You can select actual size or compress your document a little bit if it's too large, for example. Now hit continue and hit save to files. Select location for your file. Let it be in documents because this is document. and hit on save. Now you're done, and you can go back and tap on go home to turn back to the home screen. And that's it, guys. Explore the features of HP Smart application. All of them work really good. Now you know how to connect your HP LaserJet to iPhone, and I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye, guys.